The mentor-student relationship is something that works both ways.
Mentorship, I think, is so important because it is a two-way street.
Yes, they're learning from me, but I'm also learning from them.
What I get out of the relationship is I get to work with these fantastic students. And I mean, Noah is a great example of just a truly fantastic student.
I do love a good adventure.
Starting at 4:30 in the morning, we had to sample before dawn. We worked in this special trace metal clean bubble that Noah helped build. I mean, he's seen all the parts of the project, the field work, the lab work, the data. I think that set him up well for whatever he wants to do going forward.
It's really special. I did not think that I would be here, honestly, doing all this stuff at least. You know, I feel like Clara's opened pretty much all the doors for that.
She has a passion for making a difference in the world.
He takes students on our excavations in Macedonia, like helping students believe in themselves.
Jessica's a good example of that. She is now the assistant program manager of the U.S. Macedonian Collaborative Field Program.
Nick and Barb, both of them have been mentors to me.
I almost get giddy, and it just, yeah, it's the reason I'm here.
I would say about Barb is her ability to sit down with a student and foster curiosity.
They get passionate about the past, because without our past, we're going to have a hell of a future.
Sasheen Raymond from Elite Scholars is my mentor. I grew up in the foster care system. I bounced around from homes. I mean, I think I'll definitely be successful, 100%, but I think it will always be a part of my story. It will always be a part of my identity.
So Steph arrived, and once we connected, it was just amazing.
Her energy was so inviting and genuine, and she made me feel seen.
I really got to understand who she is as a person.
About a year ago, I was just kind of in a dark place, and I was supposed to come to a shift for work. And I just texted her and let her know that I just wasn't doing well, and she came to my house.
We had a nice lunch.
Yes.
Went to the ocean. It was a good day.
And because of that, I was able to come back to school the next day.
It just really shows how powerful not only the education is here, but the impact of our program and really making changes for students.
Thank you for believing in my work and for encouraging me.
It transformed my life, certainly my college experience.
And you feel like you can reach for the stars.